So last week I showed you some essential strumming techniques to take your guitar playing to the next level. Well, this week we're stepping it up another notch, and I'm going to show you a number of songs where the strum defines the song and the strum is really, really fast. So if you fancy yourself as a bit of a Strumeister, stick around and see if you can follow along. So this first song is from British rock legends Led Zeppelin. Now I'm going to give you the Campfire guitar version today, a partial playthrough, and yes, with a country and western twist. The reason I'm including this song today is it's a great warm-up song for strum. As you'll see, I'll start super slow and then I'll build up speed as we get to the epic chorus to the song. And the best part about the song is you just need to play it with one chord, and that is an open E, and then the odd strum without any fingering of the E chord. So you can focus all about this end of the guitar, which is your strumming and the speed of strum. Let me show you what I mean, and let's see if you can pick this song as I introduce it with my country and western twist.
You need cooling, baby, I'm not fooling. Gonna send you back to schooling. Gonna give you my love. Gonna give you my love. Got a whole lot of 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 love.
This next one isn't so much a commercial song, it's more a great tune to practice your strumming and maybe a couple of those scales. Now it's based around the E and an A minor, and sometimes I do the A bar chord on the 5th fret up to the B bar chord. You'll get a sense of it. There's no set way to play this, but you can start slow as I will do, and then I'll build up speed. This is what I call a sort of a Mexican or flamenco style song. It just sounds pretty cool. On the E. Now all I'm keeping is that E shape, sliding it to the 2nd fret, then to the 4th fret. Let's do it. YouTube usually hits my videos with a copyright strike because I include songs that I don't have the copyright for, which means I get no ad revenue for any of these videos ever. So if you like what I do and you want to support me, subscribe below and maybe check out my Patreon page and consider signing up to become a Campfire Guitar Hero fan. Now this is one of my favourite songs in my repertoire just because of the strumming alone, just sounds so cool.
Sleep, bed's on fire. Don't touch me, I'm a real live wire. Psycho killer, got my fire. Run, 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 run away. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Ay, 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 ay.
Strumming song repertoire needs at least one classic rock song. This one is all about down strums, fast, aggressive, cool song by the Killers, Somebody Told Me, starting on an A minor, and I've got a capo on the 3rd fret. Breaking my back just to know your name. 17 tracks and I've had it with this game. I'm breaking my back just to know your name. 'Cause heaven ain't close in a place like this. Anything goes, but don't blink, you might miss. 'Cause heaven ain't close in a place like this. Bring it back down tonight. Whoa. Never thought I'd let a rumor ruin my moonlight. Somebody told me you had a boyfriend who looked like a girlfriend I had in February of last year. It's not confidential, I got potential. Place yourself for me. I said maybe, baby, please. I don't know now. When all I wanna do is drop. Somebody told me you had a boyfriend who looked like a girlfriend I had in February of last year. Not confidential, I got potential. Hey folks, if this sort of music is your thing on guitar, then you'll definitely want to check out my new songbook. It features the best songs from all of my YouTube tutorials in the first year. All of them sound great around a campfire, so check out the link in the description below and you will have an instant song repertoire. So this song is a classic from the British band The Who, Pinball Wizard, a series of bar chords. I'll just move down and up the fretboard and you'll get a sense of the strum, but the chord progression with the strum just sounds awesome. Of course, nailing a few high-speed strums does not make you a fully fledged Strumeister. You've got to learn how to play smooth and cool as well. And in the next episode, I'm going to bring you a number of songs that are super cool, super smooth, and you're going to absolutely love them. So check that out right now.